Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20818C. It's a very nice 2008 Tusk, model number 500PG-16. It's a 5,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with the desirable 188 inch triple stage mast, side shift carriage, excellent solid pneumatic drive tires and steer tires, recently overhauled K21 Nissan engine, fresh tune-up, new PM service, new paint job and a new seat, fully ready for work. Wade's gonna run it up all the way for us. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Appreciate the time for watching. Thank you much.